Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can make a quick video on burial. So let's get started. So here you have to follow these easy tips. So first of all, you will just open your burial. Okay. Then here we can see the burial. So to make a quick video, we like click from here, post your burial. Okay. So from here you have to click on capture the BTS. From here you can just allow the camera and from here you can just record and you can make a quick video. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.